Hello guys, welcome to Touch and Fetch. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. These are the specifications and the price mentioned in the screen. These are three variants with different prices and the specifications mentioned below. This is Redmi Note 9 Pro Max 6 plus 120GB variant and the specifications are Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G with 64 megapixel quad camera and 32 megapixel selfie front camera, and also it has good battery capacity of 50-20 mAh, which is good to play high-end and online games for more than 6 plus hours with full HD display of Gorilla Glass 5 screen. The box contains 30 watts fast charger, which is good along with back panel. The mobile is provided with temporary screen guard for safety. While comparing with other mobiles like iPhone and OnePlus, this mobile has less weight. The interesting part here is both unlocking and fingerprint is on the right side, which is easy to unlock. The OS platform is Android 10 with MI user interface 11. This is faster compared to other older model of Redmi. Please find other more specifications below this video. That's all today video guys. Subscribe our channel for future updates. Thank you.